Pigmentation refers to the coloring of the skin. Skin pigmentation disorders cause changes to the color of your skin. Melanin is made by cells in the skin and is the pigment responsible for your skin's color. Hyperpigmentation is a condition that causes your skin to darken. This can affect patches of your skin or your entire body. In this video we are going to share several ways to treat hyperpigmentation at home. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Red onion. Red onion, Allium cepa, extract is an ingredient in some commercially available skin and scar lightening creams. Research has found that the dried skin of red onions can effectively lighten skin. Aloe vera. Aloe vera contains aloin, a natural depigmenting compound that has been shown to lighten skin and work effectively as a non-toxic hyperpigmentation treatment. Apply pure aloe vera gel to pigmented areas before bedtime. Rinse using warm water the next morning. Repeat daily until your skin color improves. Licorice extract. Licorice extract contains active ingredients that have been shown to lighten hyperpigmentation caused by melasma and sun exposure. Apply it on your face. Milk. Milk, buttermilk, and even sour milk have all been shown to effectively lighten skin discoloration. Lactic acid is the ingredient responsible for this effect. Apply it on your face daily. Tomato paste. Tomato paste rich in lycopene protected the skin against short-term and long-term aspects of photo damage. Orchid extracts. Orchid extracts are just as effective as vitamin C hyperpigmentation remedies, according to research. Applying orchid-rich extracts to the skin for 8 weeks improved the size and appearance of dark patches. You can buy skin products containing orchid extract, including masks, creams, and scrubs. Use as directed for the best results. Masoor dal, red lentils. Masoor dal face masks, which are made from red lentils, are popular as a hyperpigmentation treatment. Though there isn't any evidence to back these claims, red lentils are rich in antioxidants that are known to be good for the skin. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you.